Second one in town. Oh, sorry, man. Oh, just me. Look at the wheels. Wheels are excellent. I wish the wing was bigger. All right. Look at that. Of course, Sammy's traditional yellow spec on his new GT3 RS. That's also his Carrera GT right next to it. Definitely the coolest exotic collection in town, to the best of my knowledge. Guys, let's do a really quick close-up while everybody's still, the circle's still big. The new GT3 RS. Check out these. Look at the color on the wheels right here, which they have brought to the little lifter mechanism. You can see it right there behind the wing, and then they brought it into here too. Check it out, blue seat belts. That's excellent. And he's got blue stitching. That's interesting. It kind of ties the wheels together with it. How cool is that? In the back, no roll cage. Plenty of space for storage. See these, the airflow. Got the front canards right here. You lose the front on these because they use it for cooling also. Then you have your regular matte replaceable front bumper on it, because these things are low. And then there's that wing. Look at that wing.
Different color, but it's like
look at that.
Dark, so.
Yeah, I love that. Have you driven that one?
No.
All right. A little bit of wing envy going on here. Hey, how are you? There it is.